Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you the top tricks of your BOSE SoundLink Home speaker. So actually we don't have many top tricks in this speaker, but we'll go through every single feature that might be useful. The first thing is that we can connect our speaker via cable to the preferred device. We don't just have to use the Bluetooth. For example, we can take the USB Type-C cable to Type-C cable, plug it into our phone, and it should work completely fine. And the same is with the, for example, PCs, laptops, etc. It has to be USB Type-C. Wait a moment, it's turned off now.
Battery full. USB audio.
USB audio, as you could hear. And the only minus is that we don't have this huge jack cable and it has to be USB Type-C cable. But in these times, I don't really think that someone would care. It is only my subjective opinion. Apart from that, here in the speaker, we have this button, as you can see. And the most important button is this one. Using this button, we can do all the things. For example, if we hold this button, we can enable the AI on our phone, just our Google Assistant, and call it. We can do all the commands actually using this button, but we don't have the application, so we can't check them and use them actually. We just have to enter the user manual to check every single command here. Apart from that, here as you can see, we have the plus and minus, and because we can change the volume level in this speaker. And at final, here as you can see, we have the Bluetooth button, and we can connect more than one device to this speaker. And when it's done, we can move between them easily using the double click. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under this video. It's important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.